You went to your coffee me ganja, well, bete tetsa kafani la coca, la fi me sorte ça comme va, va chez mon clan ou kai brise baka, bisle bataille chaud, ou kai couille fossa, tout ça qui croit yo chaud, et ben ça qui croit yo fou, balle tout ça qu'a pété venou tout, so pas quoi ou chaud, et ben pas quoi ou fou.
Me I talk about that youth here, Messi, cause me talk about him before, you know. And we never know how I go on, but now we know exactly what go on with that youth here. I like in the first video when I do about him. You see, me not lie. It really sad how that youth here, you know. You understand? It is so sad. When my brethren tell me what go on and them thing there, cause me and the man I talk today. And you know, it just really make me sad. And me don't know what's wrong with the young black brother them, dog. It just don't make no sense. Because yo, everybody want money, you know. But these young black brothers, the man them a kill is like a bloodlust. It's like the man them a kill for blood. It's crazy. But the youth here, Messi, yo, him dead in one of the most fuck upest way. I mean I will tell them about it. Because, yo, real sad. Who is Messi? Messi is a bike rider. And him do biking as a sport, and really and truly, me ever say, if not one of the best bike rider out of St. Lucia, and maybe even out of the Caribbean. Messi did a lot of screwed up things, and it is just sad how the youth end up star. You know, in the first video, I was, you know, talking about Bolo and NSC and stuff like that. But the way I'm dead, this shit is like out of a movie. Because I was gonna clone him, you know, and talk bad about him and thing. And, you know, I make them know, so yo, what kind of idiot boy this, Ray. But when we look on the young youth star and the things that the man them a do after them have such a good talent, it just don't make sense. And I feel like I can't wrap my head around it. It's like what the man said, the younger generation, all them want to do are just kill. You understand? Some of them not even know where they might kill for dog. You understand?
Jane and Finch, Western, Rexdale, Malton, Scarborough, Brampton, Jungle, Eglinton, Cause that I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste.
Black with the schema.
When I see we give a space, beer dogs are rolling at the blood clot place. That I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste.
Black with the schema.
When I see we give a space, beer dogs are rolling at the blood.
So yo, that's the big, heavy Yank You Ain't No Killer. Remember, that show, it's running the series on Jamaica first, and it's also on EZM, which you can check it out on their YouTube channel as well as on this channel. And remember, also stay tuned because we have some big things coming up with this show. Alright, with that said, let's continue with Messi. Look at the screen in front of you. You see, on the left side, that's Messi. On the right side, that's Bolo. Now, Messi, I follow Bolo, and Bolo say him a the done man in that area there, and Messi start the things for him. Now, me I tell you now a little bit about Bolo. You see, Bolo left St. Lucia long time ago, and spent a lot of time in Canada. And Bolo was deported from Canada and went back to St. Lucia. And when he went back to St. Lucia, him formed a gang. Now, Bolo is warring with these guys right here. The crew that come from Grass Islet, and it's an area, another area in St. Lucia. But them and Bolo and Messi a war. And you see the youth where the face, green circle on him face, him get fling a couple months ago. So what really happened to Messi, him go on a drive-by to try and drive-by shoot them youth here. The drive-by me here, it was early in the morning, and Messi and him crew, which is with Bolo them, go on a drive-by a Grass Islet to try and take out some of them youth here. Now, from what I heard, nobody on Grass Islet got shot, and Grass Islet man them shoot back at Messi car, and pretty much Messi get killed. So some of the information coming out is saying that it's Messi friend them kill him in a friendly fire, and some information is saying that Messi get killed by the Grass Inlet man them, but the Grass Islet man them, none of them never got hurt. They did shoot back, and pretty much Messi end up dead. When Messi got killed, shot, his friends them or whoever he's with, they dropped him off in a car in front of a fire station. So me just a recap. You see Messi, him go Gross Islet, and the man them shoot back off him. Him go there to do a drive-by. Man them shoot back off him. Nobody in Gross Islet get killed, but Messi end up get shot in him car. Now, from what me hear, like me say, it's in the top of his head, and some people is saying that it's friendly fire from him friends them. Now, I'm going to show you guys, this young man was the last man them say Messi had shot and killed. And this guy is from Gross Islet. And I want you guys take a look at this video. This is the young man dead in the car.
Just kill him and they'll have to,
Yo, I'm showing you that to say this. You see with Messi case, it is such a sad case. Like I said, I was going to burn some fire on him, you know, and push him out. But when I look into the story and think, you know, it really sad, may I tell you. You know, beyond the broke badness, cause St. Lucia, it seems like a lot of broke badness. Me hear man them a hide in a bush, them a sleep in a bush. One man tell me say, yo, you a par with some stepper, and every night the man them have to change house in a bush, this, that. But when I look at Messi's case, it's just so sad that you have talent, dog. and what would drive him to take walk and start to those kind of things. And you know, if that you the baller me a come for you know, cause use a big panache, yo. I am trying to use less swear words cause people say, you know, I curse too much, some people. But you know, baller, why are you corrupting the youth them? You have to get a separate video, you know, Mr. Bowler. So I am gonna come back to you, cause this is about Messi, and me no want you know, detach from the story and thing. But Messi, he made such a bad mistake, a lot of wrong moves, and he ended up dead. Him friend them, with them there. The police now do nothing. Messi kill a lot of people, and it's just one big mess. But like I said, when you look into Messi's story with his talent in terms of music and his bike riding, which bike riding is a sport, and this guy had it on a sport level. So yo, this video yeah show you say St. Lucia is not a place to play with. The St. Lucian man them are some dangerous set of man them. No disrespect St. Lucia, but the man them love thief, and the man them will murder you. You understand? And the man them will pick up the dirty thing from other country like Jamaica and Trinidad, dog, and I bring it coming at St. Lucia. But a man I tell me say a long time I saw St. Lucia stay. But yo, the youth I may say, him dead in a screwed up way, and it's such a sad thing. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. But this really sad. Now Shotty Mark, you think me done with you? Me not done with you, you know. Me have a surprise for you, Mr. Shotty Mark. You understand? I see you, Mr. Junglist from out of Barbados. You think me done with you? Me not done with you either. But me have something for you. You understand? Now, like me say, like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And we'll heap more video coming up, because me have some more things from Trinidad. Me have some more things from St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Jamaica. Me have to talk about Jamaica.